Are you at a point in life where retirement feels like a broken promise? What if I told you that building an online income could be the answer to your retirement? Look, you've worked hard your whole life, and yet here you are, no closer to the life you deserve to have. It feels unfair, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's not your fault, and there's a simple solution that could change everything? Look, I understand. You were told that if you worked hard, saved a little, and stayed loyal to the plan, retirement would take care of itself, right? But now you're finding out that that plan was broken from the start. You don't have the savings you need, you don't have time to start over, and you certainly don't have time to waste waiting for something to magically change. Here's the truth. You haven't failed. The system failed you. Did you know that 4 out of 5 people who work have less than 1 year's salary saved for retirement? And the good news, you don't have to be one of those people. You have more options than you think. Right now, there's a simple, proven way for you to create an online income from home that doesn't require going back to school, learning complicated technology, or working endless hours. You can take what you already know, your life experiences, the things you're passionate about, and you can turn that into valuable content that solves problems for other people. Well, people find that content. They buy from you 24/7, and you're no longer trading your time for a paycheck. You're creating an income by letting the internet do its thing. So at the end of this video, you'll have access to the free 4-part video series that will show you step by step how to get started, how you can create an online income, and how this is possible for anyone who's willing to learn and work hard. You only need a couple hours a day to do this. So this is about creating the retirement you always dreamed of having. I know what you might be thinking. I don't have time. Well, what if I told you this can be done in just a couple hours a day? It's all you need. I'm not technical. If you can send an email, you can do this. I'm too old. Look, your age isn't a roadblock. It's actually your advantage. The only thing standing in your way is the belief that you can't. But the truth is, you can learn how. You don't have to keep sacrificing your best years. You don't have to keep wondering if there's more to life and how people just like you are creating online incomes. So click the Learn More button down there, put in your contact information, and I'll send the first video right to your inbox. Well, this could be the solution you've been looking for. So watch the videos. You've got nothing to lose. You got everything to gain from this. So don't wait. Your future's waiting. And I'm going to see you on the other side in 2025.